Too many people are making the mistake of going solar. After having been fortunate enough to help over 7,000 customers in getting their solar energy system, I have learned there are 3 major mistakes that people find out about too late after they have gone solar. In this video today, I'm going to reveal what those 3 mistakes are and how to save thousands by avoiding them. I'm also going to give you our instant solar estimate tool that will give you real information about how solar will perform on your home and what kind of savings to expect. Brett here. You see, I am all too familiar with high electricity prices that I too used to pay before I designed and installed my own solar system more than 15 years ago. And just like you, I'm tired of the utility companies shutting off power while burning our state down and then raising the electrical rates just to pay for their crimes. Right now, I want to help you avoid the 3 biggest mistakes that homeowners find out about too late after they have gone solar. The first mistake people find out about too late is that they purchased from a solar broker. A solar broker doesn't work for a solar company. They're just a loose cannon salesperson with the only objective in mind to get a contract signed by a customer, then to sell that contract to the lowest bidder so they can make the most money off of you. The second mistake people make is they get a solar system that's not future-proof and ready for battery storage, so you can store your own power and use it whenever you need it, without having to worry about what a utility company is doing behind the scenes or for paying them to transfer your power. And the third mistake people make way too late is they find out they didn't get a power production guarantee. And many solar brokers like to hide around language about power production guarantees, and they fool people with tricky warranties that actually don't protect you and don't assure that you're going to get a return on your investment. I'm happy I got a chance to share this with you. I truly want you to win with your solar system. The journey begins with seeing if solar will work for you or not. I have made that as easy as possible by being able to provide you with an accurate estimate within seconds online. When you click below, you will get taken to a page that looks like this. Simply follow the prompts, and within 30 to 90 seconds, you'll have an instant estimate on how much solar costs and how much you will save. It's as simple as that. And regardless of whether you decide to go solar or not after clicking below, you will have discovered on your own time and on your own terms if solar is a fit for your home without having someone desperately trying to sell you something that you may or may not need. I really appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I'll see you on the other side.